Hello friends, and welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. Today's video is going to give you motivation to get your kitchen organized and your fridge cleaned out. I have a few parties coming up in the coming up weekend, so I'm in the process of cleaning out my fridge so that I know exactly what I've got left in it, and tidying up my kitchen so it's a little bit in order and organized. I'll also be opening up a couple of advent calendars for you. And I've actually got quite a restricted, limited day today because I am going into surgery this afternoon to get my left knee operated on. I'm having an arthroscopy due to a torn meniscus that's giving me a little bit of problem, and they had a slot today, so it all happened very quickly over the last 48 hours. But when opportunity comes knocking, you really do have to take it. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to recover from it quickly. Last year I had my right knee done, and I think I was up and about within 4 or 5 days, and I'm hoping that it's the same this time because I have a lot on my plate in the next couple of weeks. So let's get started and let's get tidying up in the kitchen today. Day 2 of the Debauchery Advent Calendar. Let's see what's on offer. Oh, yummy. It's a red wine. It is a Debauchery Wood-Fired Hiscoed Cabernet Sauvignon 2020. This can go up on the shelf with the rest of my wine. Day 2 of the ASOS Advent Calendar. Let's have a look at what's in the Day 2 box. I don't know how YouTubers actually manage to open boxes single-handedly and film at the same time. I love the packaging on this. Let's have a look. What's this? Oh, it's the Alamus Pro Collagen Night Cream. Anti-wrinkle hydrating night cream, and it is a decent size, 15 mils. You apply this every evening to cleanse dry skin. I don't remember receiving this in the calendar last year, so this is a really good one. Let's put this aside to go with Day 1. I think I'm going to run out of space like I did last year. We will have to play it easy and see how we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.